Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can get a lot of rolls dice and money for free on your Monopoly Go. This method, it's really enjoying and working amazing, guys. Don't worry, guys, this method is given by the official website of Monopoly Go, so you will not be afraid of anything or any illegal content. This content is 100% legit, and it's from Monopoly. So yeah, guys, this trick, just a few people know it, so it's not really famous. Now I'm going to show you Monopoly, how, as you can see it here, guys, it's really amazing. You can see the resources here. So it's easy, guys. As you can see it here, it's really growing. So if you want this method also, you can just head on into your Monopoly. So it's really easy, guys. All you have to do is only go into this website that I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to do my passcode. Yeah, let me get this. Okay, guys, let's go into this website. You can just write here, go gets like this .com/word. After you write it like that, you can just click go, and you'll find this website. This website is really easy, guys, to use. If you found a lot of applications here and you couldn't find Monopoly directly, you should just go into these three buttons and click into games. After you click games, you will be filtered all the applications in this website, so you will see only the games here. If you have also any interest in other games, you can use it and get free rewards in it. I just took all the games and put them on my website, so it's really easy. You can just click on Monopoly like that, as you can see it here, Monopoly plus plus, Monopoly Go plus plus. You can just click on it. Now you'll be redirected automatically into this page. Okay, here you find the rating of the applications, guys. You can see here it has a good rating, so that means it's really working. You click on download. After clicking on download, now you can just wait until finish this download. It's really easy, guys. You can just until finish this download, and it will be automatically downloaded on your applications. Don't worry, guys, this application will be automatically downloaded. This mode will be automatically downloaded on your iOS, and you will see the same Monopoly still in your background like that, on your home screen, I mean. And yeah, you will also play Monopoly like that, and you will find, as I told you guys, the rolls dice and your money over there. It's easy, guys. All you have to do is everything like that. Okay, if you found anything else, don't worry. You should also complete a verification, a small verification, if it pops up. If it didn't, you shouldn't. Yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. See you later.